This is a video on the Ascher model RJ050. It is a headlight and taillight that are rechargeable for your bicycle. We got a bunch of wires and this. It comes charged. Okay, this came with a headlight, a taillight, a headlight bracket, a taillight bracket, 2 chargers, and that is it. Let's get it on the bike. The front light mounts on this mount right here, and it's got a little tab that you can get it off with and use it as a flashlight. The back one, just you pull this right around and it works, and then you hit the button and it turns on. There's a couple of different modes. This one, just hit the button on top, super bright. We'll see what it looks like tonight. So you can see that you get a little bit of light there. So this is how bright it is while you're driving in a dark area.